We're here at Pennsylvania Carlisle Swap Meet.
Thunderbird like I had, a white one.
Yeah.
Here we are at the Spring Carlisle automotive swap meet event. Got some cars displayed here. Some of them for sale. I can't believe the prices, it's unbelievable. Then you all wonder why I work so hard on my cars when you see me and you view my videos. Michelle's gonna take you inside and do the video. Okay, Michelle, come back around. Do
Okay,
some
guys, let
narration.
me walk around and show you all of these cars. This one is 1984 Oldsmobile, only 22,000 miles. Still kind of chilly today. Oh, this one is for sale. 1987. The guy is asking like 26,900 for this one. This one is for sale too. 1980 Camaro. The guy is asking like 32,500. This one is 1969 Camaro. 86,900. The 1975 VW. It's 21,500. (1963) Thunderbird. It's like 39,000. So if you want to buy a classic car, you have to come over here. You have a lot of choices. 1973. Asking 59,900. This one is 1967. 1967 Mustang and asking like 25,000. This one is 1966 convertible. The guy said it's everything new. Thousand of extra parts included. He invested like 144,000 and he's asking 125,000. This one is 1956 Dodge and he's asking like 18,500. So all people that want to buy classic car, you have to come over here. Carlisle, Pennsylvania. 1969 Camaro, 46,500 or best offer. Nineteen 67 Chevy C10, asking 69,500 or best offer. Nineteen 78 Corvette, 55,000. Here's a 1963 Pontiac, 28,000 or possible trade. This one is 1968 Fastback. Well, there's no price on this one. This one have no price too. Oh no, hold on. 39,500 or possible trade. (1940) Chevy. It's 42,500 or possible trade. It said look inside. It's pretty nice. They even have a scooter for sale over here. If you need a scooter, 3,600 new. There's a minivan over here. Let's see how much is this one. Oh, sold already. This one. Well, there's no price on this one. This one either, there's no price. (1970) RT, 69,500. 1969 Camaro convertible, 64,500. And there's more right there. A lot of classic car for sale. Okay folks, see you later. Thank you for watching.